How to create a training session. To create a training session, you must be the team's trainer. In this case, the EasySportPlan Team 1 trainer. However, you must first keep in mind that in order to create a session, you must have a training period already created. As you can check, the EasySportPlan Club has got a training period called January-February. Therefore, you could already start creating sessions within this period. Go back to the beginning. There are 3 different ways for you to create a session: from the Quick Actions menu, from the Start menu, or from the Side menu options. Here you can choose the Side menu options. You are sent to the Sessions screen, where you can check there are no sessions created. So click on Create a new session. To create a new session, you must decide the date for this new session and within which period it is to be included. In this case, there is only one period, so you'll have to include it within the January-February period. There are also different ways to save the session. In this video, choose Save and Plan. This way, you can check the present status of your session, the members you think will attend it, and the exercises included in it. In this case, there are no exercises included in the session, so click Add a new exercise. There are different ways to find an exercise and add it to your session. One of them is by the filtering options available per categories and works. If you click one category, a workboard will be displayed containing a group of works included in that category. In the same way, if you click one work, all of the exercises included in that work will be displayed in the exercise board. Press Lens to check more details on that exercise. If you choose an exercise, a list containing the works included in this exercise will be displayed in the board on the right. Choose which exercise you want to include in the session and click Add an exercise. To add the exercise to your session, you must decide how many training minutes you want it to have, whether it is a separate individual's exercise or a team exercise, and also which works you want it to include or which targets you want to accomplish with it in your session. Save and quit. Now your session has already got an exercise. Then, let's add a new exercise. Here is a second way to add an exercise to the session. Click See Recommended Exercises, and the list will be displayed containing all the exercises available for you, ranked according to the efficiency of your planning solutions. Here you can choose the exercise you think will best help you solve your planning. Click Add an exercise. And, like in the previous case, you'll have to decide how many minutes you want to dedicate to this exercise, if it should be a separate individual's work or a team work, and also which targets you want to reach with it. Save and quit. Now, you already have 2 exercises added to your session. Here is a third way to add an exercise to your session. If you want, you can also include a personalized exercise. Click Add Personalized Exercise. Then, you'll be sent to a screen quite similar to the one in the previous cases. In this case, however, you must add an exercise name. You can also include the description you want for it and select the work you want. What is the same? A list containing all the works ranked according to their importance will be displayed. Save and quit. Now your personalized exercise is already included in the session. If you want, you can also edit the exercises you included in the session and print a training sheet. In the training sheet will appear the exercise's name, a description of it, the pictures, the work selected. If you go back to the previous screen, you'll see that a session is already created within the January-February period and that it is in the planned status. You can edit it and print it too. These two latter actions can be performed from the Start screen.